If you want to change theme on OnePlus 15R, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, go to the home screen, lock screen, and style. And then in here, you should be able to find a bunch of different themes that you can apply. So you can try to use any of them that you like the most. And you can just tap on apply in order to easily do so. So as you can see, now we have a new theme. But also you can tap on all Flux themes in order to find more different options. So you can try to find a theme from here. You can also tap on more themes, but I believe here we can also actually just find the default theme. Or you can tap on past collections in order to try to find more stuff. So let's say in my case I'm gonna choose this one. We can tap on apply in the upper right corner if you don't want to make any changes. Of course, if you want to, you can easily do so. You can also tap on the lock screen in order to still go back and make some adjustments. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.